Yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of show the type of breakouts I like to take with volume. It's gonna be a quick video. Excuse me, y'all. So last week we had a trend line, and we broke this trend line, and we broke above this area, this zone right here. I'm entering. I did catch some of this move. I didn't catch the whole move because the volume was kind of weak Friday, but I'm a breakout trader, so I'm taking all breakouts with volume, but I'm scaling in. So on this initial break, just one contract. I'm not going full position size, because if we wick back down and I'm in full position size, that's a big loss. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting till the volume pick up, and then we close above. We came down, retested. Okay, you can go full position size with that, because we proven, the buyers are proving that they in control. The buyers are in control. So that's an easy trade. Break, we got confluence. We broke a trend line and we broke above the zone. That's a great entry. That's a good trade. Same here. We come down to this level. We hold, look like we hold. This the hourly, by the way, and then we end up just flashing. So I'm taking this a break. As soon as we break, I'm taking that. Now I probably would have. Let me look at the 15 minute. Yeah, see how choppy that look on the 15 minute? Sometimes it's choppy like that, and then you have to go up to the hourly or a bigger time frame so it can look more clean. Like looking at this on the 15, I'm not even trading that. That's too choppy for me. Like, are you gonna blow your account, or you gonna, like, I'm just not trading that. That's nasty work. That's not good price action. Go back to the hourly. See how clean I look on the hourly? That's why I'm never on one time frame. I'm always back and forth between the 5, 15s, the hourly, sometimes 4 hours. And the bigger time frames hold more weight, because, like I say, this the hourly. So each of them 15-minute candles, 4 of those 15-minute candles only make one of these candles. So the bigger time, so if I was to go up to the 4 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these candles will make one 4 hour candle. So the bigger the time frame, the more that time frame hold weight. Yeah, that's a simple trade. Let me try to look for another example. Right here, we broke below this level. We had what they call a descending triangle, where we had a high right here, then we had a lower high. As you see, the high is getting lower and lower. Then we had another lower high, and we end up just breaking. My PT would have been here and then here. That's a clean move. Look at the volume. See that volume? That's what I mean. That's a strong breakout. That's all there is to my trading system, man. It's really not about your system. It's about your emotional intelligence. Like, how can you control yourself? Discipline. You know what I'm saying? When you're on these charts. Because anybody can learn how to chart. You don't need a complex system. You can have the most simple system, but if you have supreme emotional control, you're gonna make money in the market for sure. That's what it's about. My win rate is, I can show y'all right now, my win rate is not about the win rate. It's about how much you lose when you're wrong. 35% win rate. I'm gonna show y'all 35% win rate. But when I lose, this how much I lose. When I win, this how much I win. 32% win rate. You have to cut your losses quick. Don't hold on to losers. Hold on to your winners. Cut them quick. That's pretty much all I wanted to discuss in this video. Just a quick breakdown of just breakouts. Just the type of breakouts I trade. I'll take the same setup, even right here. We come down, find the bottom. We broke above the most recent high. I'm entering as soon as we break. We break, we come down, we retest, we hold. I'm adding. Bam. Taking profit right here. That's a good move. That's all I do. I want to show y'all a trade I would have lost, because it's on this candle right here. See how we come down? I'm entering if we break. We break above on this candle right here, but we wick back down. I'm 100% in this trade, and I would have took a loss right there. But that very next candle, I'm 100% in that one too, because Read Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. He said, for every edge, it's a random distribution of wins and losses. So you have to take every trade, because you don't know in what order the wins and losses are going to come. So I'm taking my setup every time I see it. So even though I just lost this one, I'm getting right in on this trade, and I'm riding it up. Bam. That's a good move. I'll probably take profit here at this area. Look at that move. That's clean. Look at the volume. That's all I'm doing on the day-to-day, man. It's even right here. Bam. Come down, break, or retest, reject. Bam. That's a good move. I'm in on the break, and I'm adding right here, and I'm taking it to my PT right here. That's all trading is, man. It's about emotional control, man. Anybody can learn how to chart and everything, but it's about your emotions. Can you control yourself and execute when your emotions is high? Because trading is stressful. You got to try to be calm. That's why you shouldn't size more than you're comfortable with losing. Size comfortably so you can execute. So you can execute. Because if you sizing too heavy, you're not gonna be able to execute, because you emotionally can't handle that big of a position like that. It's okay, man. Baby steps. And the main thing that I learned, stop thinking about the day-to-day. Look at it on a weekly or monthly basis. Am I profitable on the week? Am I up on the week? Am I up on the month? If you do day-to-day, I feel like for me, it was a disaster. No day is that important, but a string of days together is very important. Stop focusing on day-to-day profits, man. Weekly, monthly, yearly, that's what matters. And that's really all I wanted to come on here, man. Show y'all what I do, and maybe one day we can do some charting, because I don't really erase my charts every day. Some people do, but as you can see, the level's still solid, so there's no need to really do that. I just wanted to check in with y'all, man, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in. We're gonna take this as far as we're gonna take it. And another thing, before I get out of here, if there's any suggestions that y'all got that will help me with my content, like better videos, is anything y'all want to see, any suggestions that will help my videos make them better, because I'm winging it right now. I don't really know what I'm doing, y'all, but I feel like I just want to help somebody. So I'm tuned. I'm locked in. I'm not stuck. This is my thing. I'm a YouTuber now, along with a trader. So yeah, any suggestions, man, if y'all feel like that would help the videos, because I'm really helping y'all at the end of the day. So help me help y'all. All right, y'all.